An easy way to install and use Google Apps on your Huawei device. Because of this, Huawei users in need of Google Apps are either using web apps, browser shortcuts, and other methods to access Google. Fortunately, there is a new solution posted at XDA that will allow Huawei Mate 40 Pro users to access Google service with the use of an app key called DualSpace. DualSpace is a sandbox-like virtual machine app key with a Google Play Store inside. This will allow its users to install and run Google Apps and other apps on your Huawei device. We tried it on the Mate. We use this to install Maps, Mail, YouTube, Meet, and other Google applications. Even Google Analytics is working pretty well. After installing the apps, you can create a shortcut for the apps that you want to appear on the home screen by holding the app key icon. All of the apps that we installed felt like we are running them. To use DualSpace, all you need to do is follow these steps. You will find the application link in the description box in this video. Download and install the program. One, download the DualSpace app here. 2. Open the app, log into your Google account. 3. Open Google Play and install the apps you need. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like and share in the channel.